The thing that you see on the outside, the lips with the hair, that's not the vagina. That's in fact the vulva. So the vulva has the vaginal lips, which is the labia majora and the minora, the pubic hair, the vaginal opening, the opening of the vaginal canal, and the clitoris. The vagina actually is inside, well hidden behind the vulva. And it's like a canal or a box or a room. It's almost 6 inches in some people. Next time you do not shave your vagina, you cannot do that. You actually shave your pubic hair, which is in the vulva, which is not the vagina. Coming to the second point, the clitoris. The opening of the vagina right above it is the pea-sized clitoris, which is not actually pea-sized. It's almost 10 centimeters length to length. It has hoods and wings, and that's where most women climax from. So next time the penetration in the vagina doesn't really work out for you, you're not abnormal. Most women climax with clitoral stimulation or blended stimulation, which is the vagina and the clitoris being stimulated together. So you're normal, your clitoris is normal, go and have some fun. The third thing, vaginismus. Have you heard about vaginismus? Vaginismus is real. It is when your vagina, the muscles of your vagina go into spasm and they cannot let anything penetrate in. So like I said, the vagina is a canal, but it's in spasm and so it completely shuts down. And no, the penis or anything else cannot penetrate in. It happens when you've been undergoing some sort of sexual assault or you are sexually unhappy, you're going through stress, there's lack of foreplay, there's something hidden within you and you need counseling, you need to seek help. You cannot manage it yourself. Talk to your partner, seek help. Vaginismus is real, it's not your fault. Well, that is normal. Commonly known as a vaginal fart. It's not actually a fart, it doesn't smell bad. It's just air trapped in the vaginal canal and it comes out as a sound as a fart or poof. And it's normal and it's just a queef and you're just supposed to laugh it off, have fun, relax, enjoy. The vagina can almost increase in size to up to 200 times of its original size, and that normally happens during childbirth. So it is perfectly normal for your vagina to expand, let the baby come out, and it's going to come to its normal size. There will obviously be certain postpartum changes, and that is absolutely normal. Those are changes that happen in a woman's breast, happens in your skin. It's a part of aging, it's a part of being a mother, and it's perfectly normal. But through proper pelvic floor exercises, you're going to regain your size of your vagina and you're not going to be loose, you're not going to be unhappy, and the vagina is not going to always remain the size of a head of a baby and it's going to shrink back to almost its original size. So if you're somebody with a vagina, be proud, my friends, and I hope you learned from this video because the vagina is a mysterious yet beautiful organ.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.